Hey guys, how's it going? Please forgive the echo. I'm currently in my garage, which I'm slowly but surely converting into a studio to be able to produce these videos. And also the external microphone I ordered to mount on top of this neat little camera I got is soon on its way, or meaning it hasn't quite left the warehouse yet, but hopefully it'll get here soon, so the audio doesn't sound quite so bad. And the meowing you're hearing is Mr. Chunks wanting attention while I film this. Anywho, we're going to get started today. Our lesson's going to be grammar focused, and it's on adverbs. What are adverbs? Adverbs, to put it simply, modify verbs, which are action words. However, that's not always the case. They can actually modify adjectives or other adverbs. And in fact, you can have multiple adverbs used to describe a single verb. All right, so let's kind of jump into when we would use adverbs. Simply, you would use them to tell you where, when, how often, and also to what extent. So, as an example for number one, for where, the sentence I would give you is, it is cold outside. Now, for those that hear the sentence, it is cold, we know the verb in that sentence, and I'll let you think for a second. The verb is. Cold describes the temperature, so it's actually an adjective, not a verb. And so by adding outside, outside immediately tells you where it is, which is our verb, cold. So outside in this case would be our adverb. All right, as another example, we should go to Tokyo tomorrow. Okay, we should go being our verb, to Tokyo tomorrow. Well, when would we go? Oh, tomorrow. So that when, which is tomorrow, is the adverb because it's describing when you're going. Oh, here's Mr. Chunks. All right, Mr. Chunks and I are going to read the third one. Oh, we should buy a ticket quickly. Now, what should you do in this sentence? Well, we should buy. That's the action. So that's the verb. Bye, Mr. Chunks. Sorry. And how should we do it? Oh, quickly. So quickly becomes our adverb because it's telling you when, or rather how you should buy something in this case, right? So the rate at which you're buying it, which would be quickly. And also, fun fact, adverbs often, but not always, end in ly, so it'll help you identify them in a sentence. All right, another sentence. Sometimes Paris is better than Tokyo. Okay, Paris is a place, so it's our noun, is better than London, or excuse me, Tokyo. I don't know where I got London. So we have sometimes describing how Paris is, which is our verb, better than, which is our comparative, Tokyo. So sometimes describes how often, which again is one of the functions of an adverb. It's describing how often something occurs. And in this case, Paris is, again, our verb, sometimes, which is modifying is, better than Tokyo, to complete the sentence. And last but not least, the to what extent. London is really cool. Not that it is, I think Tokyo's cooler, but that's the sentence I have. So anyway, so London is being our verb, really cool. All right, so really helps to modify the adjective, cool. And then is in this sentence is our verb. So London is, which is again is our verb, really cool. Cool being the adjective, which is actually modified by the adverb, really. It tells you to the extent that it's cool. Cool. All right, so those are some examples of adverbs. I encourage you to use them in your writing, especially as we move forward and we continue to do our journal writing, where I would expect, and rather I would hope, to see a lot of these adverbs make their way into your writing. You don't necessarily have to force it upon every sentence, but I would encourage it throughout. Okay, so just be mindful of that when you're writing. It'll help to improve overall. All right, I look forward to reading your work. I'll see you guys later while I hunt down Mr. Chunks. Bye.